Welcome back to another video. It's another day, another ride, another short ride. It's not going to be like a ride to an interesting location or a destination as such. So I just wanted to test the mic setup because I just noticed that in my previous long ride to Kerala, it was not so great. So I just wanted to try some different angle and different way to make sure that the voice is coming perfectly without much distortions. So the thing is with wireless microphone, it's not going to be as great as a wired microphone because both has got its plus and minus, like in terms of advantages and disadvantages. So the advantage with a lavalier mic or a wired mic is that it helps in terms of getting the sound or the voice more distortion free, but it's a hassle to get the right setup in terms of wires and not so convenient. So in such cases, a wireless microphone plays a very good impact. So the wireless microphone is much more convenient because you don't have to play around with the wires or anything as such. All you need is just to place it in the right position where you want it to be. So yeah, that's one of the advantages of having a wireless microphone. Like, you can set up it anywhere and instantly on the go. But yeah, the voice can be a little bit not so proper if you don't set up it in the right way and in the right position. So that's what I'm doing it now before I go for my next long ride or a big ride. So I just got some time to adjust my mirrors. Yeah, that looks okay. So in a city like Mumbai, there's no, earlier Saturdays and Sundays used to be like a little bit better in terms of traffic, but now, just like any other day, Saturdays and Sundays also doesn't count. So this short ride, I won't call it a ride. So I just wanted to test out all the possible angles and position through which I can improve the voice and the sound quality, since I'm using this wireless mic from Lark. So the only thing that I have to consider is once it starts raining, I'll have to go back to the wired microphone, because I'm not so sure how much of waterproof material or waterproof withstanding is this wireless mics. So that's the only thing I have to consider. So this road is one of the most unorganized, chaotic, frustrating roads, I would say, in Mumbai, because people just drive like crazy. Like, there's no sense of traffic, there's no sense of value for life, because they all drive like crazy. And this is one of the corporate hub, you could say. So people must be frustrated with their jobs, and that's showing while they're riding or driving. See that? So if you want to live, you better drive carefully. That's what their intention is. So fingers crossed that this setup, this new position is going to be a success for me. because otherwise I'll keep continue with my experiments. So just have to be a little bit alert on this route actually. All of a sudden they decide to take a left or right or stop. And thank you so much for all the love, especially some good people. I mean, some good subscribers, new subscribers have commented that they're liking the video. So that's what my intention is. Like, I just want to make sure that I keep it as genuine as possible. And I don't think I'll be doing any sort of a cringe video to follow the trend or anything like that. I don't care about the followers. It's not about the followers for me. It's about having a good connection with people. That's the reason why I started this. Connect with like-minded riders and people who love traveling, who love bikes, motorcycling, exploring places, and not being a tourist but being more of a traveler and explorer. So that's why I just started this channel, and will create videos around that, and will create videos in such way. So if you like this short and sweet video about my mic setup, do like it, do share in your love. So we'll be back with another interesting place and interesting video. So yeah, till then, take care.